Now let's talk about another amazing feature of Samsung A56 mobile. So let's start. I will show you a useful Samsung feature called the AI Select tool in the Edge panel. So first confirm that Edge panel option is on your mobile. For this confirmation, go to settings and then display and then Edge panel. Here on my mobile, Edge panel is on. Now I select the Edge panel from the left corner of my mobile. This is the AI tool. From AI select, you can select text from an image or copy the text image and copy the image, or you can copy the text of the image like this and then text. This is the text selection. You can copy the text. This feature is especially useful when you are browsing social media, reading articles, or view images that contain text. So that's it. AI Select makes everyday tasks faster and more convenient on Samsung Galaxy devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.